How to make Instagram account private. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can make your Instagram account private. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to make your Instagram account private, first of all you have to open your Instagram app and then click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. And then click on three horizontal lines on top right corner. And just scroll down, and here you can see account privacy. Click on it, and here you can see private account. Turn this button on, and it will confirm whether you want to make your account private or not. So click on switch to private, and now you can see our Instagram account has been changed to private account. So guys, in this way you can make your Instagram account private. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.